Great.
Hello and welcome to the Reflection for Learning series of videos. We are now going to focus on an activity called critical incidents. Critical incidents were devised in the seminal work of Stephen Brookfield in a book called Becoming a Critically Reflective Teacher. Brookfield has been arguing that reflection is essential if we wish to improve our practices as teachers, and myself and my colleagues here today in our Reflection for Learning circle certainly agree with this. And if we involve our students in reflection, we are also helping them to better understand their own learning and hopefully enhance their learning experience as well. The critical incident approach to reflective practice can be scaffolded and structured. And if you look at the slides now, we're looking at a traditional template that Brookfield devised with some key prompts for reflective activities. So have a look at those, read through, and you'll see that allowing time to reflect on these prompts has the potential to engage teachers, learners, colleagues in some very deep reflective practice with good outcomes for their learning. And of course, these questions can be adapted to any scenario, any context, any learning environment. We also can have a less structured approach, and we may have a more generic question. So I would turn to my colleagues today, where we learn together, and I could say, reflect on your past week and do just this. Identify an incident, a critical incident that was significant to your learning, to your practice. Was there something that made you stop and think? Maybe took your breath away, surprised you, gave you or provided you with a different perspective? I can think of one. I'm sure my colleagues can too. And that can be a great start for reflective practice. All details and all templates for critical incidents are provided in our resource, which is free for you to download. Do that, practice, experiment with some of the activities, and we invite, in fact, we welcome your feedback and other ideas for activities at this email address. Thank you.